He lays there, it makes no sense. I said, 1, 2, this makes 3 stars. This makes 4 stars. This one makes 5 stars, 180 people, no toilet paper, missing out of 5 stars. Makes no sense. And then Velasquez says that he went around and he does surveys and he interviews and he is just a liar. I, Homer, signing off.